Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here with another video. I am at Walmart here in Canada, and they finally have the Godzilla vs. Kong Mecha Godzilla set. I've been waiting for this figure to come out for a long time, but now it's officially out here, so I can get my hands on it. They also have the, I guess it's from the same lineup maybe, the Hong Kong Battle Godzilla and Kong, which are just repaints or whatever with some fancy new colors on them, which are really cool. I probably won't be getting these figures as I'm just going for a set of single figures. Not really my thing to collect, but I thought it's really cool that they have these figures out now. This Walmart's actually pretty sad. They don't have any other Jurassic figures, just the Battle Damage Rex for $30. Nothing new in. I was hoping for literally anything, but these are cool enough. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye-bye.